Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing line graph data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information carefully and then according to the given information, we need to solve the questions. Right? First of all, see the information which is provided in this line graph data interpretation. Here the information is about cost of three different fruits. Here the information is about cost of three different fruits in five different cities. Here the information is very clear that cost of three different fruits which are apple, guava and grapes. These are the three different fruits and their cost is provided in this line graph data interpretation, and all the cost values are provided in five different cities. Here five different cities are Jalandhar, Delhi, Chandigarh, Hoshiarpur, Hoshiarpur and Ropar. These are the five different cities. In these five different cities, the cost of apple, guava and grapes which is provided, and one more thing is whatever the values which are provided in the line graph, all the values are in terms of rupees per kg. See, each and every value which is provided in this line graph data interpretation is per kg value, per kg cost. Remember that point. Now, if you observe carefully, here rhombus shape is apple and square shape is guava and triangle shape is grapes. This is the given information. Based on this information, you need to solve the questions accordingly, right? Let us look at the first question. This is the first question. Here, the first question is in which city? Here we are talking about the city. In which city is the difference between cost of 1 kg of apple and cost of 1 kg of guava second lowest? Second lowest, as we are having five different cities. One is Jalandhar, second one is Delhi, third one is Chandigarh, fourth one is Hoshiarpur and fifth one is Ropar. These are the five different cities that we have. Now, in these five different cities, which one we need to calculate? Difference between cost of 1 kg. Everything is whatever the values which are provided in this line graph, all the values are per kg only, right? 1 kg is nothing but per kg. Here we need to take the difference between cost of apples and that of cost of guava. Cost of guava. You need to take the difference between those two. Difference in the sense highest value minus lowest value. Here apple and guava. One is rhombus shape and one is square shape. First, we'll talk about except triangle. You need to take remaining values. It means I'm just striking off all the triangle values just for the sake of clear understanding of the bar, right? I'm just striking off the triangle values. Those values are related to grapes. Here first this value is 160 and this value is 60, and next here it is, this is between 80 and 100, therefore it is 90, and this value is between 120 and 140, which is 130, and after that it is 180, and next here this value, that is 120, and next here this value between 80 and 100, that is 90, and this value is between 20 and 40, which is 30, and this value is 20 and this value is 40. Now you need to take the difference between those two values. Here apples 160. First city is Jalandhar. In Jalandhar, apple cost 160 minus guava cost is 60. Therefore, the difference is 100. And next, Delhi. In Delhi, apples cost is higher as comparing with guava. Therefore, apple cost is 130 minus guava cost is 90, which is equal to 40. That is the difference. And third city, Chandigarh. In Chandigarh, Apples cost 180 whereas guava cost 120. Difference between those two is 60. Difference between those two values 60. And next fourth one Hoshiapur, that is apples cost 90 and that of guava cost which is 30, therefore the difference is 60. And next last one is Ropar. In Ropar, apples cost is 40 and that of guava cost is 20. Therefore, the difference is 20. Now, if you observe the question carefully, we need to take the difference between apple per kg and guava per kg second lowest. Second lowest. If you observe carefully, the lowest one is Ropar. Lowest value is Ropar. And second lowest is 40. That is from which city? Delhi. Delhi is the city in which the difference is second lowest. Second lowest, that is the city represents Delhi. Delhi is the right answer for this question. Among the options, option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Let us look at the second question. Here is the second question. Cost of 1 kg of guava in Jalandhar. We are talking about Jalandhar. And cost of 1 kg of guava. Guava is nothing but that is square shape. So, in Jalandhar, the square shape value guava which is 60. Right? Is approximately what percent of cost of 2 kgs of grapes, not 1 kg, 2 kgs of grapes in Chandigarh. Now we are talking about Chandigarh and that too grapes. Grapes is this one, and if you look at this value which is between 80 and 100, that value is 90. That value is 90 rupees per kg. Grapes cost in Chandigarh city, that is 90 rupees per kg, but we need to take 2 kgs of grapes. So 2 kgs of grapes. 2 kgs of grapes from Chandigarh. From Chandigarh, the cost of 2 kgs of grapes which is equal to 2 into per kg is 90. Therefore, 2 kgs cost 180 rupees. Now, the question what he is asking is the cost of 1 kg of guava. We need to calculate the approximate percentage. We are not going to calculate the exact value. Here, the required approximate percentage is equal to guava at Jalandhar. Guava at Jalandhar per kg divided by 2 kgs of grapes. 2 kgs of grapes from Chandigarh. That we need to take into consider. And whenever we are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is a common point. Now look at guava cost per kg at Jalandhar, that is 60. Numerator value is 60, whereas coming to the denominator, 2 kgs of grapes from Chandigarh, the cost is 180 rupees. Per kg is 90 and 2 kgs cost is equal to 180. And into 100 percentage symbol, that is common point. 60 ones are 63 times. 1 by 3 into 100, that is equal to 33 1 by 3 percentage. Here the exact value, if you want the value in terms of mixed fraction, the exact value is 33 1 by 3. But according to the question, he is asking about the approximate percentage. So once look at the options. Among the options, the value which is very close to 33 1 by 3, that is approximately 34 percentage. Approximately 34 percentage, which is option D. Option D is the right answer for this question. Option D. Next question, third question. What is the total amount will Ram pay to the shopkeeper for purchasing 3 kgs of apples and 2 kgs of guava in Delhi. Here we are talking about the city Delhi. In Delhi city, if Ram purchases 3 kgs of apples, 3 kgs of apples and also 2 kgs of guava, 2 kgs of guava, then what is the total amount he needs to pay? First, check it out. What are the cost which is given in the line graph data interpretation from Delhi. Here we are talking about apples and guava. That means except grapes. You should not consider triangle shape. From Delhi, just remove this triangle and note down what are the values per kg values of apple and guava at this position. From Delhi, per kg of apple, the cost is between 120 and 140, which is 130. Whereas coming to this case, guava cost is between 80 and 100, that is 90. So, 3 kgs of apples. Here, 1 kg of apple cost which is given as 130. Therefore, 3 kgs is equal to 3 into 130. Plus, 1 kg guava cost which is given as 90. And then 2 kgs cost is 2 into 90. Now you can calculate this value. 3 into 130 which is 390 plus 2 into 90 that is 180. Now you can add these two values. Here you will get this value as here if you add 200, 590 minus 20, 570. 570 rupees. That is the total amount that Ram has to pay after purchasing 3 kgs of apples and 2 kgs of guava. Here the answer for this question is 570. 570 is the right answer for this question. Among the options, option C is the right answer. Option C. Next one, fourth question. Ravinder had to purchase 45 kgs of grapes from Hoshiarpur. Shopkeeper gave him a discount of 4% per kg. What amount did he pay to the shopkeeper after the discount? See, first of all, we are talking about the city Hoshiarpur. From Hoshiarpur, we are talking about the fruit of grapes. Grapes are belonging to, that is triangle shape. Hoshiarpur triangle shape, that is this one, right? Here the cost per kg which is 190. Cost per kg, that is between 180 and 200. Therefore, that value is 190 rupees per kg. Here Ravinder has to purchase 45 kgs. 45 kgs of grapes. 45 kgs of grapes from Hoshiarpur. From Hoshiarpur. So, at Hoshiarpur, the cost per kg of grapes, that is 190, and he had given a discount of 4%. He had given a discount of 4%. What is 4% value? 4% of this value. Discount is equal to per kg. On this 190, 4% discount is given. So, first calculate the discount value. So, 0 gets cancelled. 19 into 4. 19 into 4 which is 76. 76 divided by 10, that is equal to 7.6 rupees. This is the discount given by the shopkeeper per kg. So, the per kg cost after discount, per kg cost after discount, which is equal to, before discount the value is 190 rupees per kg. After giving 7.6 rupees of discount, the value becomes, here it is 182.4. 182.4, that is the per kg cost after discount. After giving 4% discount, then the remaining amount is 182.4. 182.4. Now you need to calculate the exact amount of what he has to pay. Therefore, amount he needs to pay for 45 kgs of grapes. Per kg is 182.4. 45 kgs he has to pay. 45 kgs cost is equal to 45 into 182.4. Now you need to calculate this value. See here, instead of taking this 182.4, here it is 1824 divided by 10 into 45. You can cancel with 5 table. 5 2s are 5 9 times, and next you can cancel with 2 table. 2 9s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore the required amount which you need to pay, that is equal to 912 into 912 into 9, which is equal to, you just multiply these two values. Here 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, and next 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, again 1 carry forward, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 1 82, 82 is the 8208, that is the total amount he needs to pay. Total amount he needs to pay is 8208, 8208 after giving 4% discount per kg. Therefore the required answer is 8208. Among the options, option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Last question in this session. See here. Here the question is, what is the respective ratio between? Here we need to calculate the ratio. Ratio between which values? Cost of 1 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg of apples from Ropar, and the cost of 1 kg of grapes from Chandigarh. So apples, both are we are taking per kg only. Apples from Ropar, apples from Ropar is to grapes from Chandigarh, grapes from Chandigarh. The ratio of these two we need to take into consider. First Ropar is this one and Chandigarh is this one. From Ropar you need to take apples. Apples is rhombus shape, that is this value. Here this value is exactly 40. Exactly 40 rupees per kg. Whereas coming to grapes from Chandigarh, grapes are triangle shape. Here it is, this is a triangle, right? And this value is between 80 and 100. Therefore it is 90. This value is 90. Now you need to cancel to 0 and 0. Therefore the required ratio is 4:9. 4:9. That is the answer for this question. It means the respective ratio of per kg cost of apples from Ropar and per kg cost of grapes from Chandigarh, that is 4:9. Once look at the options. Among the options, option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Guys, in this way you need to solve the problems based on this model, and I hope you understand all the problems in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.